But here's the story. Everything was running smoothly when I went to Prestie's house. Well, I wasn't inside Prestie's house, as you know. I was outside Prestie's house, telling you a historical fact about Prestie's house, and showing you what the house looks like, until a person had to interrupt my video to ask me, why am I filming this house? I wasn't confident enough to answer that person because it was just so unexpected. I didn't expect someone to actually lash out on me to ask me why I was filming a certain building, which I just told you that building has history on it. I explained to that person to say that I have a YouTube channel and I am filming a video about an idea I had that wasn't successful, and your house happened to be where Prestie lives, or well, was going to live. That person then said, right, that's okay, and then I seen that person drive away. Now I'm shaken up, which I thought I would never use that term, but I am now. I'm shaken up and scared, which I'm fingers crossed that it won't be very long. It won't be a big issue about what happened. It won't turn out to be anything big, which I won't discuss anymore. All I can say is that could involve the boys in blue.